Planning a move to France? To ensure your personal belongings enter the country duty-free, you must provide the correct customs documents. NM Europe is here to guide you through the process. During your move, you may use different types of inventories. It is essential to distinguish between the valued inventory for customs and the inventory for insurance purposes. The insurance inventory needs to list full replacement values and be highly detailed just in case of a claim. The valued inventory for customs only needs to give an overview of your shipment with resale values in used condition. For customs, the inventory must be in French and show values in euros. Using NM Europe's standard format is highly recommended. Don't forget to sign and date the form, the non-cession document. This sworn statement confirms that your goods belong to you and are not intended for resale. Fill in your name, profession, and French address at the top. At the bottom, indicate the town where you completed the form, along with the date and your signature. French customs require proof that you have a residence in France. Acceptable documents include a utility bill, like electricity or gas, or a lease or purchase agreement in your name. Only the photo page of your passport is required, and only for the person in whose name the shipment is registered. If you are moving for professional reasons, a short letter in French from your employer is required, confirming your relocation and stating that France will become your primary residence. If you are not moving for work, you must obtain a change of residence certificate from the French consulate in your current country. This applies to all nationalities and is essential to avoid import taxes and duties. If you are importing a vehicle, the original certificate of title is required, along with a copy of the purchase invoice in the shipper's name. Except for the title, all documents can be scanned and emailed, but photographs of documents will not be accepted by French authorities. Need assistance? Contact NM Europe for expert guidance. For more detailed information, visit our website at nmeurope.com.